Rosie!
Rosie and Jim, chugging along on the old rag doll. Rosie and Jim, and Patchy steers the boat. We go to play and have a look with Rosie's bag, Jim's boring book. The world drifts by the window frame, and Rosie and Jim, we play our games.
Wah!
Rosie and Jim, finding pictures every day. Rosie and Jim, and Patchy colours them in.
Now, I've drawn the canal, and I've drawn the ragdoll boat. Now, who shall I put on it? I know.
Rosie?
Yeah?
That's Pat. She's drawing.
Jim, that's Pat. Loopy lobes.
Loopy lobes, Rosie.
Good. That's that picture finished. What I need is some good ideas for a picture on this page. Life jacket.
Quack, 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 quack. Thanks, Doc. We're moving, Rosie.
Where are we going to, Jim?
Let's see.
Ooh. Hey, Jim, you see that? That's you, that is.
That's you, Rosie.
Oh, yeah. Jim? Where are we going?
Rosie.
Uh-oh.
Rosie. I don't think Loopy Lobes knows where she's going.
Jim, let's go and see.
Oh, it's a lovely bird. Wonder where it's flying to.
What, Doc?
Jim! What a beautiful bird.
Rosie, it's flying.
Jim, I can fly. Fly, fly, fly. Jim, I can fly.
Rosie. Fly,
Oh, I like
fly,
flying.
fly.
Fly, fly. Oh, there it goes.
Come out. That's a good boy. Good boy.
So that's where that lovely bird was flying to.
Look, Jim, there he is.
There he is.
Oh, hello, I'm Pat. I followed this lovely bird all the way along the canal. He's beautiful.
Yeah, hello, Pat. I'm Richard, and this is Moat. It's a male barn owl.
No mo.
Oh, Rosie.
Yeah?
That bird is an owl.
Yes, Jim, a barn owl.
Yeah.
He's got great big feet.
Yes, that's to help him catch his food.
Ah, I see.
Oh,
Big, strong feet, Rosie.
yeah, Jim, that's so he can pick up all his food.
Rosie?
Yeah.
I've got big, strong feet. Yeah.
You silly nugget. Jim, get up.
His eyes are so big as well.
Yes, that's to help him see in poorer light conditions.
Jim, hasn't the owl got big eyes?
Big eyes to help him see.
Would you like to hold him?
I'd love to.
You know, if you'd like to pop this glove on your left hand.
I've never
Steady, Matt.
held an owl before, so this is very special.
Just open your hand a little.
Right.
Sit him onto the top.
Is that all right? Is it
And if we
comfortable?
bring the jesses between your fingers, just open your fingers a little bit.
It's like a...
That's it, that's great. There you go.
Oh, he's
You'd like to
lovely.
stroke him on his tummy because he is ever so soft.
Oh, he's so soft and he's light.
Yes. The softness and the lightness helps him fly silently.
It's beautiful.
Jim, lots of soft feathers.
Soft feathers, Rosie, to help him fly silently.
Yeah, fly silently.
And he's very light.
Yes, they're not very
I
heavy.
expected him to be much heavier.
Moat!
Dear, I hope he's not lost.
Owl flies silently, silently. Owl flies silently by.
It's come to say hello, Jim.
Hello, Owl.
Hello, Owl. You look lovely flying.
Silently, silently. Hey, let's hide, Rosie.
I can't see him over there.
No, I can't see him anywhere either.
No.
Rosie,
Yeah?
we're all secret and hiding in
Yeah,
here.
hiding in our hiding place.
The owl. Lovely owl, secretly hiding. Lovely owl, hiding with us.
Ooh, time to go though now, isn't it, Owl?
Come on, owl. Shall we go back now?
Bye-bye.
Moat!
Lovely owl. Bye-bye, lovely owl.
Fly away. Bye-bye.
Fly back. He's been hiding with us, hasn't he, Rosie?
Mo!
Here he is.
Moat,
Where have you been?
we thought we'd lost you. Oh, I'm so
been
pleased
doing?
he's come back. Richard, thank you very much.
You're very
It's really
welcome, Pat.
kind of you to let me hold him.
That's no problem,
Bye-bye.
you're welcome.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Moat. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Well, there you go.
Thank you. Bye.
Wah, 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 wah.
Now I've got a good idea for a picture. Good. That's that picture finished.
Rosie, there's you.
Oh, yeah. And Jim, there's you.
Yeah. But Rosie, where's Duck?
Oh. Oh. There's lovely Duck.
Wah.
it.